तो कहूँगा कि रेफरी का बहुत गलत डिसीजन रहा और इस वजह से भारत को हार देखना पड़ा और इतिहास रचने के स्थिति पर था भारत। पहली बार भारत ने फीफा वर्ल्ड कप के थर्ड राउंड में क्वालिफाई करने की स्थिति में पहुंचा था, लेकिन कल के मैच के रेफरी का जो निर्णय रहा बहुत ही दुखद और हताशाजनक था।
तो कल इतिहास रचता हमारा
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि जानबूझ के हराया गया, लेकिन ये जरूर कहूँगा कि रेफरिंग में बहुत बड़ा मिस्टेक हुआ है। हम सभी ने देखा है कि बॉल गोल लाइन से बाहर चला गया था और रेफरी ने क्यों वो देख नहीं पाया, साइड रेफरी जिसे हम लाइन्समैन कहते थे वो क्यों नहीं देख पाया, ये एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन की विषय है। हमने इस कारण कल रात को ही हमारा जो चीफ रेफरी ऑफिसर ट्रेवर केटल, वो इंग्लैंड में है अभी, उनसे रात को बात करके हम लोग IFAB जो कि लॉज ऑफ द गेम्स बनाते हैं फीफा फुटबॉल के लिए, उसके क्लॉज के अंतर्गत हमने फीफा हेड ऑफ क्वालिफायर्स, AFC हेड ऑफ रेफरी, AFC हेड ऑफ कंपटीशन और मैच कमिश्नर, इन 4 जगह कल हमने एक कंप्लेन लॉन्च किया और हम ये अपेक्षा रखते हैं कि हमें एक वहां से न्याय मिलेगा।
सर, कल मैच क्या करेगी, फीफा से क्या उम्मीद रख रही है, फीफा क्या एक्शन ले रहा है उसमें?
देखिए, जैसे कि मैंने कहा आपको कि हमने 4 जगह पर ईमेल लिखा हमने और उस वीडियो के कॉपी भी दे करके। ये हमारे लिए दुर्भाग्य है कि कल का मैच में VAR सिस्टम नहीं था। ऐसा मुझे बताया गया है कि थर्ड राउंड से VAR की सुविधा है और कल का मैच यदि VAR रहता तो हम बहुत आसानी से इसको चैलेंज करके, इस डिसीजन को चैलेंज करके हम रिवर्स करा सकते थे।
सर, फीफा की तरफ से कोई प्रतिक्रिया आई है?
नहीं, कल रात को ही हमने इस कंप्लेन को लॉन्च किया है। आशा करता हूं कि प्रतिक्रिया आएगी और कानून के अनुसार यदि स्पोर्टिंग कॉम्पेंसेशन मिलता है हमें, वो क्या मिले उस पर भी चर्चा होगी और आवश्यक होगा तो हम जो स्पोर्ट्स लॉ के आधार पर, स्पोर्ट्स लॉ के अनुसार जो किया जाता है, हम अपने लॉयर लगा के करेंगे।
सर, कल हमारे प्लेयर्स बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे थे और मैच जीतने के कगार पर थे, कल रेफरी की वजह से हार गए, तो सर क्या मैसेज देंगे प्लेयर्स को?
देखिए, मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि कल एज ए टीम इंडियन फुटबॉल टीम बहुत अच्छा खेला और खेल में तो हार जीत रहता है, हर खिलाड़ी इसको समझता है, लेकिन कल का खेल का हार बहुत ही दुखद रहा। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आगे चल के जब भारत का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा फुटबॉल में, तो भारत और कतार का जो मैच कल रहा 11 जून 2024, इसको याद रखा जाएगा। यदि रेफरी का निर्णय गलत नहीं होता तो भारत इतिहास रचता थर्ड राउंड में जाकर के। जैसा कि हम अभी बात करते हैं कि 1956 ओलंपिक में यदि शैलेंद्र मन्ना पेनल्टी मिस नहीं करते थे तो भारत ओलंपिक की फाइनल में खेलते। 1950 के वर्ल्ड कप में जब भारत को आमंत्रण मिला था ब्राजील में वर्ल्ड कप खेलने जाने के लिए, यदि भारत जाता उस समय खेलने के लिए तो भारत के फुटबॉल के इतिहास और दूसरा होता। इसी तरह मुझे लगता है कि आगे चल के 2024 11 जून की बात, जो रेफरिंग की गलत निर्णय की वजह से भारत को यह हार देखना पड़ा, ऐसा कहा जाएगा यदि रेफरी ने गलत निर्णय नहीं लिया होता तो शायद फुटबॉल का इतिहास भारत के लिए दूसरा होता।
It is very, very sad, heartbreaking, especially when the team, after a long time, really played well. They looked like scoring goals. They scored a goal, and perhaps were just about 20 minutes, 17 minutes to be precise, from pulling off a win against one of the top sides in Asia. It's a different thing that they did not field their top players, but even then, Qatar is Qatar, and we were just 20 minutes away from creating history because. To get into the third round would have been a huge, huge statement for All India Football Federation and the Indian football team. It is sad, but yes, it happened. Whom do you blame? Whether you blame the 2 players who connived to pull the ball from outside the line and push it into the net, or whether you blame the referee who perhaps, did not get a good sight of what exactly happened. So, but end of it, it is Indian football which has suffered because we've really come so close to almost creating history. So that is the sad part of it. I mean, we don't get another chance, and to be in this position again, we have to start from zero.
Yes, sir. Have you tried to file any complaint or anything?
Yeah, we've done it last night itself. The President, Mr. Kalyan Chaubey, we discussed, and immediately we filed a complaint with the match commissioner, with the FIFA World Cup Qualifiers Committee, with the AFC Referees Committee. We've already done it. But we'll have to wait and see, like we all know what the IFAB rules are. But it's sad, I mean, happening in such a crucial World Cup qualifier, For Qatar, it's okay. I mean, they had already qualified. For us, it is. I mean, it has really left, I can say thousands and thousands of fans, who watched. And every time you see the replay of that incident, it hurts. But I mean, it's sad.
And sir, what next? Since you have already filed a complaint, are you hopeful that something will work out?
We do not know, because you know how it is, like referee decisions, once it's done, it's done. I mean, you can't change decisions. But let us see, we've actually put in that letter what exactly has happened and how we feel about it. And for a country like ours, to get into the third round of World Cup is big. And that has been sort of, I mean, we lost the chance because we were leading at that time. And that goal actually changed, the players' heads dropped, and it really changed a lot of things for us. And it has actually changed a lot of things in the longer term also, because this team did do well, the way they played, they were brave, the way they attacked in this particular game. Chetri was missing, but still, the boys, they knew what was at stake, and they really did all that they had to. But finally we were undone by a decision which, the sad part is, a team which qualified ahead of us, we have taken 4 points out of them, out of the 6. So that also hurts further, But we'll have to accept it, lump it and move ahead and start building on, the positive sides of it. We've done what we have to do. Let's wait and see in case there's something which comes out of our complaint.
So had VAR technology and being there could have worked for India?
Yeah, no, it's see, that's a totally different a subject. Like all the teams played without VAR. Maybe we would have had some decisions which could have gone against us. Maybe we had decisions which would have gone for us. But according to this, we were told that from the third round onwards, VAR would have been there. Yes, if VAR was there, then there's no need for us to blame even the referees, because they could have had a look, and that would have clearly, the goal would have been disallowed. But yeah, we've been undone. We feel robbed, and it's sad. I mean, because everyone's put in a lot of effort into this campaign, and for us, being 120, 124, I think we are, to 121. And playing against Qatar, we almost pulled it off. So we'll have to get back and start building once again. Let's see. Anyway, the complaint is already there. We'll see if we can legally see what we can do about it. But by past experience, we know referees' decisions are never overturned. So it was just maybe fate against us.